What is involuntary commitment in mental health law? Have you ever wondered how the legal system intervenes when someone's mental health puts them or others at risk? Today, we will discuss involuntary commitment in mental health law, a process that can be both complex and essential for public safety. Involuntary commitment refers to the legal procedure that allows a person to be placed in a psychiatric hospital or required to undergo mental health treatment without their consent. This typically occurs when a qualified professional, such as a psychiatrist or a judge, determines that an individual is experiencing severe mental health issues and cannot make safe decisions for themselves or others. The main goal of involuntary commitment is to protect individuals who may be in crisis. It serves as a significant exception to the general principle that adults have the right to refuse medical treatment. There are two primary types of involuntary commitment: emergency and judicial. Emergency commitment is used in situations where a person poses an immediate danger to themselves or others. In these cases, law enforcement or medical professionals can act quickly to place the individual in a treatment facility for a short time, often for evaluation and stabilization. Judicial commitment is a more formal process that occurs when there is no immediate emergency, but there are concerns about the individual's need for mental health treatment. This process usually involves a court hearing, where evidence is presented, and a judge decides whether the individual should be required to receive treatment. In both types of commitment, the law mandates that specific standards be met. These standards can vary by jurisdiction, but generally requiring proof that the person has a mental illness, is unable to care for themselves, or poses a risk of harm to themselves or others. For law students interested in public interest law careers, understanding involuntary commitment is essential. Mental health law intersects with civil rights, due process, and public safety. Lawyers in this field may representing clients facing commitment, advocate for their rights, or collaborate with courts and mental health professionals to ensure that legal standards are upheld. Practical applications for law students include learning how to navigate commitment hearings, understanding the rights of individuals subject to commitment, and recognizing the ethical and legal challenges involved. Familiarity with terminology such as civil commitment, involuntary hospitalization, and sectioning is also important for effective practice in mental health law. Involuntary commitment serves as a legal tool designed to balance the need for public safety with the protection of vulnerable individuals and their rights. For law students, mastering this area means being able to advocate for clients, understand court procedures, and apply legal standards in real-world situations.